we have Marzia Ali Murtaza from Mama Parsi School, Karachi, to deliver her speech.
Nelson Mandela once said, and I quote, "The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall." Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm honored to sit in front of you, not just as a student, not just as a speaker, but as a child. A child who is lucky to be healthy, to be sitting here, to have a voice. But my heart aches for the millions and thousands of children just like me who do not have the same voice, the same opportunities. However, esteemed audience, one must not predict a future if one can't invent it. Protecting and improving the health standards for children is of fundamental importance. Every year, 5 million children under the age of 5 die from preventable causes. That means that by the time I finish speaking, 10 more children will have lost their precious lives before they even had a chance to dream. Over the past several decades, we have seen dramatic progress in improving the health standards and reducing the mortality rate for young children. And yet, 45 million children worldwide have no access to clean water, food, hospitals, or even basic healthcare. They suffer from malnutrition. So I ask humanity today, why is this still happening? In Gaza, thousands of children are killed, starved, and denied medical aid. Families are left with no access to food, vaccines, or even basic healthcare, while diseases spread through the overcrowded shelters. According to the WHO, the right to access clean water is a basic human right. And yet, millions of children in underprivileged communities and in conflict zones drink contaminated water daily. How dare we call ourselves a civilized world if we let innocent children suffer this way? The truth is that children don't really get to decide where they're born, whether they have a roof over their head, good food to eat, or clean water to drink. But adults do. Governments do. Organizations do. We need communities to step up and make sure that no child is left behind. As I mentioned before, we have seen tremendous improvements in improving the health standards for young children. Thank you to the tireless work of organizations like the WHO. They fight diseases, provide vaccines, and help countries acquire stronger health systems. But they cannot do it alone. Let's be clear here. Progress is not the same as equality. Change is happening, but not fast enough, and not for everyone. Let's urge leaders, decision makers, organizations, and allies to do more. Invest in health fund programs like Lives Depend on It, because they do. Let's stand together and fight for the right of every child. The time for change is now. The time for action is now. And together, we will make sure that every child everywhere has the right to decide their own future with the opportunities that they deserve. Always remember, if we nurture the dreams of children, the health of children, the world will be blessed with the leaders of tomorrow. Thank you.